What does renovation insurance cover? Belonging rights, whether in your residential capital or somewhere else, is each and every individual's wish. In fact, it is a right undertaking to perform. However, property ownership is not without its dangers. If you fail to think wisely while buying an asset or buying a landlord insurance policy, you may experience problems in future. Not all landlord insurances are good in protecting your residents against money losses, property damages, asset fatalities, etc. Thus, you require the ultimate landlord insurance policy to protect your buildings. Since the landlord insurance is aimed at guarding your home, it is unavoidable to go for a choice that assures you nothing less than that. More often than not, the insurance policy will cover for dangers such as lightning strikes, inferno, turbulent winds, earthquakes, floods, blasts, or any other dangers. But for firms providing landlord insurance policies, the case is different in many occasions. They have an extra choice cover besides the standard insurance covers. Some of the extra options they offer include legal protection as well as rent insurance, contents protection, or an alternative lodging value. Once you have the above-mentioned ideas, it goes without saying that a landlord insurance policy is an ultimate cover from dangers that may befall your residence or building. Therefore, all landlords should be aware of the property security. With landlord insurance policy, you are guaranteed just that. Whether new on the field or not, knowing the home policies is not an option. Seen as vital, particularly in cases where landowners rent out buildings to other individuals. In case of any destruction on a completely furnished house, the insurance policies will cater for the setbacks or damages. There are two kinds of landlord insurance policy contents. For example, the limitless content insurance always apply when the house is completely furnished, and limited content insurance policy applies in cases where the house is not entirely furnished or even not furnished at all. This landlord insurance policy is mainly appropriate for individuals that are getting the houses initially. With the policy, the landlord or homeowner will be in a position to protect its assets from damages or any other danger. However, this insurance guideline choice cannot protect your building properties from dangers completely. Equipped houses are best protected by contents insurance policy plus an extra insurance policy. A house landlord insurance policy plays a leading role in giving the property or land's owner the go-ahead to erect the building without facing a standoff with the law. Another landlord insurance cover property owners, for instance landlords that are still new to the field. It is suitable if you want to secure your property from harms arising from uncertainties. For example, if you fail to get rents from tenants, it can cover for electricity, water, or any other amenities. A landlord insurance guideline which guards you from encountering law-linked issues such as renters, those arising from our tenant dismissal or tenants' property seizures. These landlord insurance policies preferred when you live away from your property in case of unexpected repairs being taken on the building by an emergency. This policy will cater from that.